Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ke Bafana ihambile eMorocco la iyodlalela khona over 100 million rands bafethu. Imali yakhona it's around 117 million or so. Ilapho nje imali if bazokwazi ukuyiwina i-competition. If baphuma number 2 but still bawuthola ilokhu njani imali serious bafethu, because imali abazoyithola it's over 60 million rands. So imali serious ku AFCON bafethu iningi kakhulu imali edlalelwa this year. So I know ukuthi already ngokuqualifya khona imali abaya-entitled to zona. ISAFA already maybe ithole over a couple of millions just for i-qualification nama-sponsorships deal angcono because of manje basayine i-deal ne-Adidas I think. So that's a big thing. U-World Cup next year kudlalelwa over 800 million rands ama-champions wakhona. Just ngokuqualify iBafana they are guaranteed imali close to 180 million rands, right? So but-ke okay, abanye manibona bafethu bareport bazothi 160 million, abanye bazothi 170, abanye bazothi 150. Why? Because it dependa nge-current exchange rate of that time because of kusetshenziswa ini ama-US dollars. So isafake nje izothola ama-millions and then nama-teams Orlando Pirates Sundowns ngoba ama-players wakhona guaranteed azoba khona bazothola imali serious every day. Ama-players may-based lapha ne-United States of America. Inkinga of the problem nayo ISAFA ithi yona ibroke. ISAFA kukumanje kweleta abafana laphana bebodlala iChan. ISAFA inenkinga zayo. ISAFA idila ne-corruption kuthiwa o-president baniko 10 million rands. Even manje ISAFA president ihamba ama-court ngendaba ye-fraud, i-corruption, zonke lezo zinto lezo. I don't know ngempela ukuthi kwenzakalani laphana kuSAFA, but that's what we are getting ukuthi president yeSAFA, umphathi weSAFA laphana ohleleleni esicongweni unenkinga eningi. Meaning that imali, let's say it's obvious njengoba ba-qualify for World Cup kuzodepend ukuthi ku-World Cup futhi baba-knocka out kusiphi i-stage because of i-win inama-millions and millions, yabo, just i-win. I-draw futhi nakhona inama-millions. So yonke asithi Bafana estimate bafethu Bafana mayibuya laphana e-America izobuya na-over 200 million rands guaranteed just njengokuthi babe laphana e-America. ISAFA izokwazi ukuyi-distribute kahle imali, izokwazi ukukhokhela ama-players i-bonus kahle, izokwazi ukukhendla ama-finances wabo because already sebathi le mali lezovela ku-World Cup imali abazobhalansa ngayo ama-books wabo, imali abazoyithatha babhalanse la bashoda khona because of ISAFA banayo imali, and then bathi imali ezosiza laphana ku-development izofika na leyo mali leyo ku-development trickles down to third division because of ISAFA i-governing body yebhola lase-South Africa. But inkinga enye enkulu ukuthi sinama-2 governing body webhola. SAFA which is ilo traditional governing body because of siyazi ukuthi yephethe ibhola, and then under ama-teams sinani sine-PSL. Yabona-ke seziyaclasha manje ngoba i-PSL nayo iyimeli independent from ISAFA, inama-deals wayo, ISAFA nayo iseceleni ngapha. You know inkinga enkulu ukuthini ngike ngakhuluma ngayo ipolitiki. Abantu abaphethe ISAFA abantu abasame bantu abaphethe izwe. Yebo, so if you make if uyahlanganisa lapho make the connection uyabona ukuthi ayikho into ezo-achieviwa like kuma-grassroots. I remember taking things back to 15 years ago ku-2010 kwalungiswa, in fact kwaqala 2009 ama-project wakhona ukuthi kulungiswa ama-ground wasemalokishini, afakwe ama-lights, afakwe inini, a-maintainwe, but today zonke lezo zinto azenzeki. Why? Kwavele kwaphela imali yayikhona ama-millions ukuthi kudevelopeke ibhola lase-South Africa, even emalokishini kube notshani kuwo wonke ama-ground akhona, but guess what, leyo mali azange ifike ebantwini, leyo mali azange ifike ema-groundini. Kwenzeka la ukuthi ngo-2010 kuphela, 2011 bese kushabalala kwamanye ama-ground asele yilawa uthola ukuthi ane-municipality or i-FA yalapho iyakwazi ukunakekela because kukhona ama-FA, ama-football association lawa amancane bafowethu like regionally ayakwazi ukukhipha iy'mali, bakhiphe lawo ma-100 rand ba-maintain ama-ground wabo because of sebaqala ukuzenzela izinto. Why? Because of bayabona ukuthi football governing body ngeke ikwazi ukubamela, kune-corruption enkulu. Ama-teams bekumele athole iy'mali bafowethu, athole from ISAFA bathole i-grant, even i-third division bayithola i-grant ka-30,000 ngonyaka ukukhava just ama-transport. Abantu abayitholi nokuyithola leyo mali leyo, ayifiki kuba iphelelaphi. And then ubani o-in charge okumele adistribute zonke le mali lezi. So yizo zonke izinto ekumele ebhekwe, but izobhekwa ubani because of hey, siphila in fear bafethu. Uma uzolanda abantu ukhulume ngabantu amagama abo, especially involving imali ey'nyamalalayo, uyabulawa-ke South Africa. That's the king of the problem. But yeah, congrats to iBafana ngokuthi ithola imali. Sobona ukuthi imali ye-World Cup bazoyidistributha kanjani in terms of amabonus. Bazoqala, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi bonke beba-selectwe for ukuthi bazokhwalifayela, bazosiza iBafana Bafana iqualify bathole amabonus aserious, hhayi lo ma-60,000 abajwayele ukuwathola. Bathole lesi over 100 million, sengithi over 100 million, over 100,000 each player just ngokuqualify. Because I even remember AFCON njengoba bashawa kuma-semi-finals bathola amabonus wa-over 500,000 each player. And ye-World Cup-ke bafethu into eserious kakhulu, into eserious kakhulu-ke ye-World Cup. Bafana kumele bathole imali eserious laba abazobe bekhona barepresenta ku-World Cup. Nayo-ke into bengikhuluma ngayo, I think izolo a day or two, ukuthi ibhola abantu bazothi i-AFCON why bangayihloniphi ama-Europeans. I-Africa sihloniphe ibhola lethu, ama-national team akoleta ama-player, Nigerian players have to strike. South African players manje badila ngey'mali ukuthi abakatholi iy'mali zabo laba engibabalile bafethu aboku-10. Abavumelani ngama-bonuses a-structured ngendlela e-right. And even if khona indaba esingazizwe esingafika kithi, yabona isafa njengoba ikhuluma public ukuthi i-broke, khona ama-arrangement awenzi manje bekuthiwa uHugo Broos kumele athathe i-salary cut because of imali abanayo ayikho that much ekumele bakwazi ukukhava ezinye izinto. What if ucoach kuthiwa ucoach uzothatha i-salary cut bafethu? What about ama-player-ke kuzokwenziwa njani? Kusho ukuthi amabhonus ehlile la kumele ngabe izinto ziyakhuphuka khona ngoba ibhola the boys are flying high, the boys are delivering, the boys are fighting for the badge, the boys are fighting for the nation. Are they getting the money that they deserve? That's the question. Asinawo-ke ama-answer because of akekho umuntu ozokhuluma in public bafethu ekhulume ethi isafi i-problem because of bayazi ukuthi bazovele nje bakukhansele bangasakuselect nokuselecta at all. I-transparency ibalulekile. That is why i-transparency isafa, yazi isafa iy'nkinga bafethu. They could not even disclose laphana eParliament, they could not even disclose ukuthi o-10Bet, o-Hollywood, wonke ama-endorsement deals wabo, ama-sponsorships deal abanika malini because of bekuzobonakala straight ukuthi okay isafa if ithola lesi mhlampe asithi 400 million a year from ama-sponsors uku-advertise noma ukuba under iBafana Bafana, iBanyana Banyana, ma-under 20 inini. Bekuzobonakala ukuthi okay out of le percentage leyo yonke ama-player wona athola malini kuyo yonke le mali abayithola because iningi imali abayitholayo. Ukuthi bona bathi ba-broke I think on the African continent we one of the best national teams, even naku-sponsorships, even kuma-TV rights kwenziwa imali eserious kakhulu but ama-player awatholi lutho. I saw like abantu mabathi njengoba iBafana Bafana izodlalela i-World Cup is close to R1 billion njengoba kuwo-800 and something million, right? Ama-winners azowathola and then it trickles down to mhlampe the qualification yokuthi uthola close to 180 million just ukuthi nje uqualifyile nje kuphela, right? Mina i-complaint yami enkulu bafethu ukuthi imali iyakuphi, iyafika na lapho kumele iye khona. If bazothi badistribute imali ukukhulisa ibhola elincane or labafana or ama-ground in iyafika na leyo mali lapho, because history tells us ukuthi leyo mali ayifiki. So ubani oyimonitha